Good day everyone, my name is Tiara Anpatakunan from Piped 2A. For today's video, I'm going to answer the question about the open loop control system. So, let's begin. So first, I'm going to define what is open loop system. Open loop system is the fact that the output signal or condition is neither measured for feedback for comparison with the signal or system set point. Therefore, open loop systems are commonly referred to as non-feedback system. Also, as an open loop system does not use feedback to determine if its required output was achieved. It assumes that the desired goal of the input was successful because it cannot correct any errors it could make and so cannot compensate for any external disturbance to the system. And now let us move on for the first question is, what are the major components of open loop system? So the major components of open loop system are the input, executive, movement, effector, output, and quick movements that require very little thought. So the executive can create or decides decisions on the desired level of performance, while the effector transmits out of all the executive decisions. And for the question number 2 is, how does this type of control system differ from the closed loop control? So system can determine with the help of differential equation is known as the control system. It controls different devices as well as a system with the help of control loops. There are two types of classified control system. These are the open loop and closed loop system. So what we say about the open loop system, it is the output doesn't change the action of the control system. Otherwise, the working of a system which can depends on time, it is called open loop system. So the accuracy of this system is low and less dependable. It is very simple, needs low maintenance, quick operation, cost effective, and doesn't have any feedback. So while in closed loop system, it is a system that depends on the input system. This control system has one or more feedback loops among its input and output. The main difference of these two systems, which are the open loop system and closed loop system, it is required output within the open loop system doesn't depend on the controlled act, while in closed loop is required output mainly depends on the controlled act. So lastly, the question is, describe how each of the components of the open loop system might function for a person who is tossing an empty soft drink can into a recycle bin. So first is the executive input that can create decisions on how to transfer the soft drink can into a recycle bin so that she can throw or toss it will have no other impact or feedback is allowed. Then the action of the effector output is the result on how the tossing on empty soft drink can throw already. And this is the end of my video presentation about the function of open loop system. Once again, I'm Cherry Anpatakunan. Thank you.